Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and press the bell icon. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Filament, which is 4.3.0 in your Laravel project. Filament is an amazing admin panel and form builder for Laravel, and using the latest version ensures you get all the newest features and bug fixes. Let's get started. Open your terminal and type the command Laravel new your project name and press enter. Next, for starter kit, type none and press enter. Then for testing framework, type 0 for pest or 1 for PHP unit and press enter. Next, for Laravel boost type no and press enter. Now you will see which database will your application use. To keep things simple, we will be using SQLite as our database. Just type SQLite and press enter. Next, type yes to run npm install and npm run build. The installation is complete. Now, type cd your project name to navigate to the project directory. Next, let's install Filament 4.3.0. Here I am on the Filament 4 documentation. As you can see, the recommended composer command installs Filament 4 in general. However, if we use that command, it will install Filament 4.0, not the latest version 4.3.0. Right-click the GitHub icon, then choose Open Link in New tab. Here on the GitHub page, you can see that the latest Filament version is 4.3.0. Go back to Filament 4 docs and copy the following command. Go back to the terminal and type cls to clear the terminal. Paste the command you copied, then replace 4.0 with 4.3.0 and press enter. This will install Filament 4.3.2 instead of version 4.0. Filament 4.3.0 has been installed. Next, let's install the Filament panel. Go back to Filament 4 docs and copy the second command. Go back to the terminal, paste the command you copied and press enter. You will be prompted with, what is the panel's ID? Type admin and press enter. For the GitHub star prompt, type no and press enter. The installation is complete. Now, open your project in Visual Studio Code. Open composer.json file. Under the require section, you will see this line, Filament/Filament, version 4.3.0. This confirms that our project is now using Filament version 4.3.0. Now, let's create a user. Go back to Filament 4 docs and copy the following command. Go back to Visual Studio Code and open the terminal. Paste the command you copied and press enter. Enter the name of the user and press enter. Next, enter the user's email and press enter. Finally, enter the password and press enter. The user has been created. Next, type the command composer run dev to run our app. You can see that both the Laravel and White servers have started. Go back to your browser, navigate to localhost:8000/admin/login to access the admin login page. Enter your email and password, then click the login button. You should be redirected to the admin dashboard. Here in the Filament info widget, you can see that our Filament version is 4.3.0. So everything installed correctly, and we're now running the latest version. In this video, we successfully installed Filament 4.3.0 in a Laravel 12 project, verified it in the composer.json file, and checked the version in the Filament info widget. You now have the latest Filament version ready to build beautiful admin panels and forms in Laravel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Feel free to drop any questions or comments below, and I'll be happy to help. I will see you in next tutorial. Till then, stay safe.